Hi, it's Erica here. Just wanted to touch base and talk to you about the upcoming Kingdom Diversity training that I'm doing. I get it. There are a lot of diversity trainings going on right now. It is up, the language is up. What sets this one apart? What's going to make it worth your time? I have 30 years of training under my belt, but to pour it all into this topic of kingdom diversity is just amazing for me. Although we're doing it virtually in 2 parts, because we give you a week to do some implementation, it's different in a few ways. The first is that it is from a Christian worldview perspective. So there's a lot of stuff that's for secular, a lot of stuff that's using secular context. And we actually dig into scriptural context. So that's really huge. Not in a Bible study way, but just understanding in the context of building the body of Christ, what is our responsibility around diversity, even if it has not been an area that you've really been active in or highly committed to. The second is, it's a safe space to come wherever you might be. There's no beating up, no shame, no guilt, no anger. We're going to really process things, but do it in a way that is forward moving. Another thing that's really important about this training is it is absolutely no holds bar, unapologetically about solutions. I think there's a lot of conversations going on, great conversations, difficult conversations, all kinds of conversations that are critical. I think that there's a lot of guilting from a historical perspective, which could be part of the process of coming into awareness. But what this training does is it takes you beyond random best practices that company A or organization B is doing to specific step-by-step stages and exactly what to do in every single stage. Because here's the hard part about diversity, inclusion, and equity: implementing it. This is about implementation. We can read theoretically all we want. We can discuss theoretically all we want to what this would look like in the workplace. But this workshop is for people ready to implement and really be an agent for activation and change within your organization. And it's specifically pinpointing the needs of Christian leaders, both in the business realm, in the church realm, and in the nonprofit realm. So if you have any questions, let me know. This is one you don't want to miss. And it is my goal, not that the work's not ongoing, but to really give you some powerful tools, step-by-step processes, my proprietary life cycle stages and solutions work, that you will have a framework and know exactly how to move forward strategically, powerfully, and most of all, to create lasting solutions in your organization. So get registered now. Let's do this. I'll talk to you soon.